Good day, ma'am, sir. I am Janidel P.D. Gracia, 25 years old, graduated from the course Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. For now, I'm currently working at Waterfront Cebu City Hotel and Casino as F&B or banquet waiter. My experience so far here is very challenging and knowledgeable because I already serve a plenty of VIPs. It would be from the government, weddings, birthdays, and many more. So not just serving, I already experienced as well setting up a lot of exhibits, conventions here at Waterfront Hotel. So about my skills as well is I can work under pressure, willing to learn from my mistakes, and can do teamwork. About my certificate here is I already have certificate of employment waiting to receive it from my manager since I've been working here 3 years already during my intern days. So, as a waiter, I want to showcase my knowledge and skills from another establishment's company or workplace. So, to sum it up, I'm willing to express my knowledge and skills of what I have learned in this hotel from another establishments or company. I want um, to express it, especially here at Magsaysay. So I'm looking forward, mom, sir, and that would be all. Thank you.